Gingerbread is a delicious and festive treat that can be enjoyed by all. It is perfect for holiday parties or as a dessert after a family dinner. Gingerbread is also a great way to get into the Christmas spirit. It is fun to make and even more fun to eat. Birds inhabit nearly every corner of the world and play an important role in ecosystems everywhere. Birds are beautiful, graceful creatures that can be incredibly inspirational. Watching a bird soar through the sky is a truly breathtaking experience. And learning about their unique habits and behaviors is endlessly fascinating. Birds can teach us a lot about nature and the world around us. And they can also provide us with endless hours of entertainment. Whether you're a seasoned bird enthusiast or just starting out, getting to know these amazing creatures is definitely worth your time. Chocolate cake is one of the most amazing desserts around. It's a rich and indulgent treat that's perfect for those special occasions. But even more than that, chocolate cake is a source of inspiration. When you're feeling down, a slice of chocolate cake can pick you up and remind you of all the good things in life. So go ahead and indulge. You deserve it.